Abel is rooted in tradition. Long before the Spanish colonization, it's been said that Chinese merchants carried this in and out of the country. Among golden spices, the Spaniards brought home a lot of abel for its quality and durability. Today, Kawayan is known to be the home of table linens, kitchen towels, and fabric made from abel. Weaving abel included a very long process that involved manufacturing yarn out of the cotton flowers that communities collected from the fields. But it wasn't until the 50s that the cotton used in weaving was replaced with factory-produced threads. This change made it easier for weavers to make more products in lesser time. Over time, the number of weavers have declined, brought about by tourism and technology-driven industries, but the demand for abel products continue to rise, which is why we need your help in making more products and in turn helping this long-standing tradition flourish for many more generations to see and experience. The whole process is subdivided into 3 parts. The first is prepping the yarn, next is setting it up, and the last one is the fun part, weaving.